Hey traders, just want to make another video for volume trading, another exercise video that you guys can do, help try and improve your trading a little bit. So I'm watching the after hours right now. This is a setup right here. We'll just let it trade and see how it plays out here. So this is after hours. Not great because they can really kind of pump this thing after hours, but it's trading up. So let me pull in the other chart. I'm not exactly sure where I left off in the other video, but same rules. We're looking for stacked up areas of volume, and we want some kind of move away and a pull back into it. So I'm just going to kind of walk forward and look for areas. So maybe I would have something right across here. You've got a lot of bars that are kind of stacked up right here. So maybe I would have something sitting right here. You kind of have something across here, but I'm going to let it go. It may work, it may not. So you're definitely building an area right here. So let's see if it trades back down. You got to move up, kind of traded back down. It found some support right across here. You have a pop up, and probably take that, huh? What do you think? Looks like you kind of got the pop up right there. 28, 20, 25, and 28, 22, 75. So you definitely would have got your point easily out of that guy right there. And you would have took 20, 25, 18, 50, almost 2 points of damage. So in the rules this morning, I said 2 points. In the way that I kind of got the 2 points is there's a calculation in NinjaTrader on your trade. And I'm not sure if I have it open here, in your trade performance. And this was my horrible trade performance today, but called maximum adverse excursion right there, MAE. And basically what that tracks is how far a trade goes against you, how far a trade goes against you when you're in the trade. And I find that, with wide stops, I found that about two points would give me enough room to usually get back out, and that's how I came up with the 2 points. So it's not something. It's kind of scientific, It's based off the trades, but so you still have the same area kind of building up across here. The question is do you take it again? Have you built even more volume? And that's kind of the exercise that we're doing right here. You get this bounce right here, probably not going to take it. See how it's already reacted in this area. But look, it comes right in here. Boom. Nice trade. 28, 15, 50. 28, 19, 50. You definitely would have got your point out of there, right? And even more some. So just keep on walking forward. The exercise here is, you got price action to the right. You don't know what's going to happen to the right. Do you take the trade? Before we were just kind of scanning through, looking at the levels, kind of profiling. Now the question becomes, do you take the trade? If If it fell down even farther, would you take this trade right here? Is that a good level? It's really kind of questionable to me, but close. The fact that it turned in front of here doesn't mean that it's not going to turn right on this line, but when you get this kind of reaction, I tend to think that it's tested the top of the profile. It tested this top of this profile right here, and that it's going to go to the next level lower if it goes there. Now the question is, I didn't pull this all the way over, but look, you hit it and you got a bounce right there. Same level, just more volume building right there. You get a rejection. Nice trade. This is the breakdown, swing back up, hit. It's the breakaway, swing back down, hit, and then move away. Okay. There's quite a bit of trading action right here, but it's coming back pretty soon. Do you take it, is the question. And I'm going to say that you take it if it comes back. Kind of stalling out right there. Not a good sign, right? Testing the top of this profile. Again, you get your bounce right here and it trades through. Was that 2 points right there? 28.17, 28.15, 2 points. Probably would have escaped, right? Just kind of moving along. So now you have a pretty big wad of trades here, right? All the way across. I'm just kind of profiling this. It moves down a little bit right next to here. But for the most part, your volume's like right in here, right? So let's see if we take it when it comes back. Oh, it bounces right in front of it. That happens a lot. If you've watched my other videos, I always talk about it. It'll test the top of the profile, and then it'll test the bottom of the profile. And you've got the top of a profile right here. There's the better shelves right here. Usually I want to trade against a shelf of volume. Point of control is like a shelf, right? It's a big amount of volume. This is a shelf right here. And, this was kind of a shelf right here. Not a very big shelf, but still a shelf. You're starting to build quite a bit of trade right across here. Can you see it? Looks like we're taking off here. Making the next run up to the next level. Coming back to us. You got some bars across here. Just out of curiosity, we'll just draw a profile here. It looks like it happened right here. You got your pullback right there. There's another one like right across here that's a high volume, but must have been a day break right there. It fell back down. You've got one up here too. I'm not paying very much attention, but look at all these bars stacked up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and it was right there. That was your stack up right there. Hit 12 28.36, 37.75, almost 2 points, and you definitely got paid on that one, right? So taking off. You got a chunk of volume right here. Oh, didn't mean to move that. Sorry, guys. It's probably not supposed to have big pauses in the video either. Do you take it? We're right here. We're falling fast. I'm going to say go ahead and take it. Nope. Falls through. That one would have failed you right there. Out of curiosity, look back here. There's your shelf of volume, right? It goes all the way across. Nice shelf of volume, nice bounce, nice trade. Not all of them work. That's just the 60-40 rule that I always talk about in my videos. So you got a good shelf right here. Look at this thing. See this thing all built up right here? This was a good one too. It moved up and away, and yeah, there's a good shelf of volume right here. You can see. Let's see if it comes back. Not going to come back to you. Kind of a shelf of volume right here. It may just be gone at this point. Look at this right here. How did it work? 55.25, 56.75, less than 2 points. Definitely got your pay out of that, right? And we're just crazy going up here, and that's the market. Definitely got smoked there. It's questionable, right? Because you see this little tiny volume, it traded through there. Not the best thing. See how this is like right up against the side? Nothing's, yeah. This is looking pretty good right here, right? Same area too. If it moves down and comes back at it. Kind of looking over here to see what we have over here. What do you think? Did you get your 2 points? 28.39, 28.41. Got your 2 points. Actually, you know, you usually just go for a point or whatever. Oh, what do you think? Think it's going to bounce? Did it take you out? 34.75, 33, less than 2 points. And there it is. Nice trade. Just kept on going. It kind of looks like an area right here. Let me just pull this over here. I don't like it the way that it's all sparse and like that, but there's definitely some volume across here. And I'm sorry if you can hear my keyboard clicking. I do have a mechanical keyboard. So you've built some pretty good volume right here. you got something up, you got more volume up higher than you do, oh, I can't get this thing to stop. You've got some down here, but so if it comes back here, we'll wanna probably try and take this guy. It's gonna come back. The market always goes up, so. Oh, right through, destroys you. 34.50, 38, horrible. Went right through. Look at that move. Wouldn't you like to be on the other side, right? And out of curiosity, 51, 48.75. So, okay. We're out here at 16 minutes. You guys see the drill. You guys see what's happening here. So this is how you can practice, and then we'll do another one talking about how you get on the ride and ride it. You use two contracts and go for the runner for the big bucks, right? So hopefully these exercises are helping you, and you're catching on to the idea. Look how this one worked right here. You see where the volume was? It did push through, but it came back and found support on it, and it took off from there. That's just that reversal of support and resistance, right? This should have been resistance. It went through, became support, and took off. But anyways, volume 2. Hope this exercise helps you guys. Take care.